Good morning, friends. Today I tell you how to tune a PID controller using Ziegler-Nicholas technique. So first of all, you have to create your VI. Here is my front panel and this is my block diagram window. Over here, using math script window, I create my motor, and these are the parameter values of my motor, like this is the resistance, this is the inductance, this is the back EMF. So using this I am creating a motor. This is my transfer function for my motor, which is a second order. After that I take a control and simulation loop, and over here I create a PID controller to control the speed of my motor, and here is my transfer function of my motor, and I connect a step signal or our reference signal, and it is the output signal. Both are on the same graph. So again I come to my front panel. So according to Ziegler-Nicholas, which is a trial and error method, but a better method. So in this method, according to Ziegler-Nicholas, first of all you have to set your proportional controller value, means KP value, set to 1, and then run. According to this, in this figure you got your response die out after some time, and this is the transfer function of my motor. So Ziegler-Nicholas, according to Ziegler-Nicholas rule, you have to increase your KP until you got the sustained oscillations. Like here your oscillations die out, you have to make KP such your oscillation should be sustained. Like I am increasing in this case the value of KP. So here it is oscillations increases. In this case again I increase the value to 2. So here my oscillations increasing more increases, so they never die out. So again I have to set the value 1, then I set a value again 1, and I check the value. So again I got some type of increasing oscillations in this case. So when you got the sustained oscillation, means this peak value same as this, same as this, same as this, same as this, and continuously there is a constant or sustained oscillations are there, and you have to note down that KP value, that is your KU, ultimate gain. I show you a PPT. So this is my, here this is my motor transfer function for which I perform my PID controller. This is the Ziegler-Nicholas method for closed loop system. You need to provide two variables. Here what is, first one is KU and second one is PU. KU is called ultimate gain and PU is called ultimate period. You have to find out these two, and the procedure to find out these two is, so first you have to set your KP is equal to 1, like this. You got this type of values. After that you have to increase your KP when, in this case, for this type of transfer function, for this transfer function, only for this transfer function I got my KP is equal to 1.1084 when I got sustained oscillations, means here there is a sustained oscillations, they are not increasing and they are not decreasing. So this is my ultimate gain, it is KU, and the period of this from here to here, it is called ultimate period. Like this, I expand this and find the value of period pu from here to here. This is my ultimate period. Using this technique, you have to find ultimate gain, which is ku, and ultimate period, which is pu. So here is my sustained oscillation, and I find out the period of this. So from here I got my ku is equal to 1.1084 and my pu is 0.007. Using these two values, I have to put these value in this table, and using this I got the proportional, proportional and integral, and proportional, integral and derivative controller for my controller using Ziegler-Nicholas method, and my final PID controller using KU and PU, I got this type of values. When I put these values in my this here, when I put these values in proportional, integral and derivative controller, I got the best result using Ziegler-Nicholas method. So this is the tuning method of PID controller. Thank you.